Get ready with me for school. Making sure I'm really tan and glowy. A lot of y'all wanted me to talk about how the pumpkin video aftermath was. And let me just tell you guys, it was staged. We didn't actually get in trouble and we got our teacher's permission. But this video actually backfired. Somebody took our pumpkin video and sent it around to teachers saying that we had our phone out in class. But we had permission, and since the video was fake, we didn't get in trouble. The video's really blowing up on all platforms and I'm getting a lot of hate comments, but guys, we're just kids. But since all the younger kids in my school follow me and see my videos, they're all saying pumpkin in the hallways now. I stopped using the e.l.f. Halo Glow because it started breaking me out. I got bumps all over my face and I don't know why it broke me out, but I had to stop using it. I have a science test today and I didn't even study, so I'm gonna study in between classes and everything. Recently, what is this music? Anyways, recently I've been excited for school. I don't know why, I guess I'm just having fun with my friends and stuff. Me and my friend are so loud in class, we're always making jokes and laughing, and I'm glad that we have fun together, but we're too obnoxious. So we're trying to be more calm in class because all our classmates hate how loud we are. This Rare Beauty highlight makes me so glowy. I really don't have much to talk about because I feel like I told you guys everything yesterday. Oh yeah, my little sister's birthday was yesterday, and that did not go good. She was not happy. She turned 1 and we had a smash cake for her, and the second she touched the cake, she just started crying. But I think it's because we did it late, so we're gonna try to redo her little birthday party today and hopefully it goes better. But she did really like her gifts a lot, so that's good. Okay, let's talk about Christmas because I'm so excited. We already decorated it and we have 6 Christmas trees around the house. And it's very elegant and cute. But I guess my dad wasn't happy with that, so he went out to Home Depot and spent $200 on a 6-foot Buddy the Elf. I just realized I was in 3x the entire time. But it's okay, I'll just go back and edit it all. Like I was saying, let's just try one piece and see if we like it or not. Oh my gosh, I'm crimping my hair. It's so cute. Make sure you guys are using heat protectant, even though this is my first time ever using it. I haven't used heat protectant in years, but then my mom bought me this, so now I use it. Okay, sorry, I was on the phone with my friend. I accidentally got toothpaste on my shirt, ignore that. All the candy that I knew I didn't want or that I don't really need, I put in a separate Ziploc bag, and I don't know where it's gonna go, but it's not gonna stay in my room. I feel like I've been getting more of a routine lately, and I'm so proud of myself. I've been at night every day, just putting on music and then cleaning my room and stuff. It just makes me feel so much more clean and put together. Oh my gosh, the election is today. I totally forgot. Oh my gosh. So Eden's coming over and we're gonna watch the election together, but before it starts or whatever, we're just gonna edit our podcast because we haven't found time to edit the other 2 and we need to make sure they get posted every Saturday. By the way, if you want to check out our podcast, it's at Raine Reese's podcast on TikTok and YouTube. Today is just such a perfect day. I'm so excited for everything. I don't understand people that do get ready with me every day. How do they have so much to talk about? This side is way less wavy. Oh my gosh, my hair! I can't tell if it looks good and shiny or if it looks greasy. My heat protectant makes my hair very shiny. It just needs more volume at the top. I haven't crimped my hair in so long and I feel nobody crimps their hair anymore. But it's such a cute hairstyle. I don't understand why we don't do it as much. I thought I was done yapping, but I'm not. I guess we have a fake election thing at school today. That's what my friends are telling me, which I had no idea about. But during chapel, I guess we're doing an election to see what our school would vote for. So I'm kind of excited to see how that process goes, but we might not even do it because I don't know if it's just rumors that I'm hearing. I love summer Fridays. Alright guys, that's it for today's Get Ready With Me. I'm going to try to quickly edit this and post it before school. I love you all so much. I hope you have a blessed day, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye guys. Mwah.